The main cause of global climate change is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is warming caused by the atmosphere trapping the heat radiating from Earth. The greenhouse effect starts with solar radiation hitting the Earth, then while some of it reflects back into space, the other part gets absorbed by the land and water. Then the Earth radiates the heat to space, but some of it is trapped in the atmosphere, keeping the Earth a nice warm temperature. But human activities are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases, so it traps extra heat, which in effect is causing the Earth's temperature to rise. Global warming is causing the ice to melt faster, so species such as penguins, polar bears, seals, and whales are affected. Sea turtles have the ability to remember where they were born, so they can return to the same beach years later to hatch their own eggs, but with rising sea waters, the beaches are disappearing. The warmer the sand gets, the more females are going to be born, because the temperature of the incubator determines the gender of the eggs. If that happens, there will be a huge ratio difference between male and female sea turtles. The warmer climate has caused the Adelie penguin population to decrease 65% in the last 25 years. Emperor penguins haven't been able to eat as much krill, so their population has decreased 50% in the past 50 years. The polar bear's population size is decreasing. The sea ice is moving farther apart, so that makes conditions more dangerous and fewer opportunities to hunt and find food. Fish and squid might soon find it hard to breathe because the water is becoming more acidic due to the carbon dioxide released into the oceans by people. Mixing between oceans is important because it transports nutrients from deeper to shallow water and brings oxygen from shallow to deeper water. One of the problems for coral is that the sea level rising can make them too deep so they can't receive any aquatic sunlight. But one of the most visually dramatic changes in the ocean is the bleaching of coral reefs. Coral reefs are the foundation for many ocean ecosystems and house thousands of fish and other sea creatures. This is due to the warm waters causing stress to the coral, making them expel the algae out of their tissue, causing them to turn white.